Welcome to Financify. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Remitly app on your mobile device. Let's get started. First, according to your device, open App Store or Google Play Store. Tap on the search bar at the top, type Remitly and tap on the search icon. Look for the official Remitly app in the search results. Then, tap on the app icon to view more details. Tap the download or get button. If prompted, confirm your download by using Face ID, Touch ID, or entering your password. The app will start downloading. Once downloaded, it will automatically install on your device. Tap Open to launch the Remitly app. Alternatively, you can find the app on your home screen or app drawer. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the Remitly app. Now you are ready to send money with ease. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorials from Financify. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.